Hey guys, so we're going to do this fun sunrise look, and if you want to know how I did it, keep watching. Alright, so I have my eyeshadow shield on. I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base and press that in. Okay, next, so I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go in with this yellow right here. Okay, next, I'm going to go in with this shade here, same palette. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this shade here and drop that in the corner. Next, I'm going to go in with P. Louise Basics. It's the Bright Collection in yellow and the P. Louise base in #1 Rumor. I'm going to just squeeze some on the back of my hand. Next, I'm going to go back in with that yellow shade and press it all over my eyelid. Okay, next, I'm going to go back in with that red and just deepen up that corner. Now I'm going to go in with the Blue Basics P. Louise base, and I'm going to use that as my eyeliner. Lemonhead, Houdini, next I'm going to go in with the white, and I'm just going to use that for my brow bone.